I keep sleeping and mom's texting to my aunt 20.
You guys had a lunch. I'm gonna go put him down so I can be mobile.
And mom's eyes are on the screen. Mom, I thought you said I can't have screen time. You said I can't have screen time. Mom, I thought you said I can't have screen time.
What do you mean? I thought you said. You used to be a baby in my arms like this. Now it's another little guy. Now you're getting all big. Can you still get in my arms like this, Miles?
Not really. You're hurting me. Ow!
Okay.
And this is me.